My ND filters for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 finally came in. These ones are from PolarPro. Let's head outside to test these out, but first, a quick unboxing. Alright, so here's the packaging for the ND filters. It's pretty nice and simple. This is the shutter collection that comes with an ND 8, 32, and 128. So that makes these a 3, 5, and 7 stop filter. Alright, looks like it comes with this cleaning cloth. The filters come in this plastic storage case. Let's open it up. And here they are. Not sure if you can see this, but along the bottom is the strength of the filter. Little notches on the side so it's easy to put on and take off. And on the top is a PolarPro logo. Alright, let's put it on the Pocket 3. Super easy, it attaches magnetically. And it's easy to take the filters off thanks to those notches on the sides. You can also store a single filter in the cover where the mist filter is meant to go in. Now just a slight issue that I found with the storage case. When you put the filters back in, you gotta make sure that it's wedged in there. The magnets are so strong on these filters that they repel each other. Or they attract them. Just make sure you wedge them back into their spots. As you can see, there's nothing in the case that's doing this. It's just the strength of the magnets on those filters. This just made me realize that you can probably stack these filters. Now it's perfect for when you want to film directly into the sun or a laser. Alright, let's pack this up and head out and test them. ND filters are great for photos and videos, but honestly for my vlogs, I'm not going to be using these because I don't really need that perfect motion blur for when I'm walking and talking. You just can't see me anyways. But when I want that cinematic look though, I'm definitely going to be throwing these on. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions and... See you.